we are becoming less influenced by advertising now than in the past. What are the reasons? Is it a positive or negative development?
Sample answer 1. In contemporary society, there is a discernible shift in the influence of advertising compared to the past. This change can be attributed to several factors, and its implications are subject to debate regarding whether it constitutes a positive or negative development. One significant reason for the diminishing influence of advertising is the proliferation of alternative sources of information and entertainment. With the advent of the internet and social media platforms, individuals have greater access to diverse content and can curate their own media consumption. Consequently, traditional advertising methods, such as television commercials and print ads, are no longer the primary avenues for reaching consumers. Instead, people are exposed to a myriad of user-generated content, reviews, and recommendations, which often carry more weight than overt advertising messages. Moreover, consumers have become increasingly skeptical and discerning in their interactions with advertisements. The prevalence of deceptive advertising practices has eroded trust in brands and heightened consumer wariness. Many individuals now actively seek out transparent and authentic companies, making it harder for traditional advertising tactics to sway their purchasing decisions. Additionally, the rise of ad-blocking technology reflects a growing resistance to intrusive advertising. As people gain more control over their online experiences, they are empowered to filter out unwanted ads, further reducing the effectiveness of traditional advertising methods. While the waning influence of advertising may be perceived as a positive development by some, others argue that it has implications for businesses and the economy. Advertising plays a crucial role in driving consumer demand and fostering competition in the marketplace. Its decline could potentially stifle innovation and economic growth, particularly for small businesses that rely heavily on advertising to attract customers. In conclusion, the diminishing influence of advertising can be attributed to factors such as the proliferation of alternative media sources, consumer skepticism, and advancements in technology. Whether this development is positive or negative depends on one's perspective and its broader implications for businesses and society. While it may empower consumers and promote transparency, it also poses challenges for advertisers and economic stakeholders. Sample answer 2.
The utilization of online sources in modern times has led to greater public awareness compared to a decade ago when the public was more innocent and easily enticed by advertisements. Additionally, people now rely on product reviews and consumer comments to inform their purchasing decisions. In my opinion, this represents a significant positive advancement, as individuals can save more by focusing their spending on essentials. This essay will analyze the aforementioned reasons using examples and further discuss why this constitutes a positive development. To begin with, it is undeniable that people are more engaged on the internet than before, allowing them to access information about anything rather than solely relying on advertisements. Moreover, when considering purchasing a product, individuals often check online offers and consumer opinions in the review section before making a decision. Conversely, in the past, companies relied on celebrity endorsements to attract customers, capitalizing on their lack of knowledge. For instance, when I purchased a washing machine a few months ago, I first reviewed comments and recommendations about various machines and the company's customer service. Therefore, this is the primary reason for the diminishing impact of advertising on the audience. However, it is important to acknowledge that with this awareness, individuals can save a significant amount of money. Furthermore, in previous decades, people would blindly follow advertisements for certain products, leading to potential wasted spending if the product did not meet expectations. For example, during my childhood, my father purchased a shower product based on a popular TV advertisement, only to find it did not deliver satisfactory results. Nowadays, we research products thoroughly before making a purchase decision. In conclusion, despite online awareness being the main factor contributing to reduced influence from advertising, this is a positive development.
People are now able to save money and effort by understanding their basic needs and making informed purchasing decisions in line with current trends.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.